That's a zombie.
I've been keeping niggas on my business. Fuck a loss forever winning. In my backyard, never penny. Pay the fool, ain't nothing renting. Never told, ain't never squid. If I got it, ain't no need to steal. So I'm smoking weed, stop popping pills. I'm working there, this is what it is.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy Real.
And your girl Brittany.
And this R&B Lifestyle. We're back in here with another one
video.
today. Hey, so where we at today?
Today we are in Half Moon Cay, Bahamas.
Yeah, y'all already know, man. I told y'all we got a lot more surprises for y'all. And this ain't the last stop either. You know what I'm saying?
Still
So we
got
a little bit more
to go.
Still got no stop to go, man. If y'all haven't caught up on the videos and y'all haven't watched the other ones, go back and rewatch the other ones, then lead yourself along to this one so y'all can be in order with what's going on.
Follow us on the whole trip.
On the whole
got
thing.
a lot going on, a lot happening, got a lot more happening. So.
Exactly. Hey, now I've been thinking about this too. Now we is probably gonna start so we can try to keep up with a lot of this stuff too. Start that family TikTok too. So we're gonna have to get on that.
I'm gonna get it created soon. We ain't got no service right now, but once we get back to the States, we'll have that where y'all can go and like or subscribe or whatever to.
Yeah, it just to get us out there a little bit more people, a little bit more following, especially with the family stuff that we got going. And so we're in Half Moon right now.
Yeah.
We don't know what we're gonna do this time. Yesterday, y'all seen what we done, some crazy stuff. Go back and see. But y'all didn't get to see everything though, because we didn't get to record everything that we was doing because it had cut off. We finna get together and get these pictures and stuff taken care of. And then after that, we'll catch y'all then. Yes, sir. Hold on, check out the drip first. Check out the drip now.
Whole lot of 901 going on.
Whole lot of 901.
And this is his mom, Miss Real.
We know. You got the Arkansas on the back. Arkansas 901. Arkansas 901. And T on the drip. We gotta check out the drip. We're checking out the drip. Check out the drip. Turn around. What this thing say? Little Miss Mamas. Oh, you must be Miss Mamas. Yeah, I should have known. Miss Mamas. Okay. Yeah. Hold the camera.
Okay. I'm recording. Miss Real. Mama. Yeah.
So you doing everybody?
We're doing it. We're doing it. Okay.
Closer, guys.
Okay, that's my baby. And my daughter-in-law. Yes.
Thank you.
All right, fam. Yeah.
All of you guys.
Come on, baby, finna do the group. Finna do the group. How we gonna get? Put Camille in the front of you. Stand right there. Here, I guess. No, she can't be seen. Stand right there.
Okay. So this is just like a regular island, ain't it? It's called. Yeah. We flipped that on our head too, went straight in there. Half Moon Cay. Welcome to Pirates Cove. Pirates Cove. This is like a little tourist spot on the island. It's actually a little small private type island too as well. Truck that's gonna take us to the excursion on the island. They built these roads and everything.
You're welcome. Love your sneakers, Jenny. Try out. It's nice.
Thank you. Let's go. You can tell that they came in and actually did the form. Machine that probably brought stuff over here. Yeah.
That's just stuff.
They built the roads and everything. It's the sidewalks. Brought the bricks. They brought the tractors and stuff over here. A lot of stuff probably coming in on both. That is a ship. I know it.
I have no service. Of course you don't. You're in international water. Turn on your airplane motor. Hello.
Wow, way out there.
Stop sign.
Stingray.
Oh God. You got this shit to look at right here. Look at yourself. Nature walk.
Nature walk.
No, that's not horseback.
Whoa, shit. Damn. Hey, who's driving this bus?
Oh, he gonna slap somebody.
Who's driving this shit, bro?
With a trim. Oh.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping. Don't tell me that's the glass box.
It's two of them. Yeah, that's it. The whole bottom is glass.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Exactly. About to get ready and go on the glass boat where you can see up under the boat.
Everything in the water, basically.
I hope it's small. Well, I ain't finna hope there's no sharks in there. Let me be quiet.
Hey, all the way over there.
But you know they do have sharks, vegetarian sharks.
The shark.
That's a real live shark right there. That's y'all see.
Oh, y'all from Texas? Real deep southern
Oh,
draw.
no, we're from Memphis, Tennessee.
Oh, okay. Got a shark.
Okay, here we go. Okay. All aboard.
You wanna get in there?
After the boat tour, maybe.
They ain't putting us on no life jackets. You probably can ask them for a life jacket if you don't feel safe. Dang, it's so clean. Just don't drink.
It's salty water.
Basically, we finna go on here and I guess we can see stuff through these things that's on it.
You got it? Take your time, take your time. Got it? You got it, buddy?
Hopefully.
No, we're not balanced. That's what I said.
Yeah, it's glass.
Oh, it's not clear.
It's plexiglass. Oh
He said
yeah.
they need to clean it.
Oh yeah. They should have went up under the bottom here. There's some little water sipping through. You see it? A little water sipping through the cracks. Hell. I'm about to go. I'm ready to see some sharks.
Good morning. My name is Tashawn. I will be your narrator. Your captain in command, his name is Mario.
Mario! My boy.
Welcome to Half Moon Key Eco Lagoon Glass Water Boat Tour. Now, for your safety here on this aboard this vessel, straight ahead in the cabins, we have life jackets. We also have a first aid kit, a fire extinguisher, and we have a VHF-1 radio just in case if we have an emergency out on the water and we have to contact people. Now, the meaning of the word lagoon. Lagoon is a large body of water surrounded by land with one entrance. That means one way in and one way out. The deepest part of the lagoon is said to be 18 feet. The shallowest part is 16 inches. We also get tidal wave change every 2 to 4 hours. The opening of this lagoon leads straight out into the ocean. The crossing two areas. One is called Stingray Adventure, that is the one coming up. The next one is the Indian Village. At the Stingray Adventure, that is where they do snorkeling with the stingrays. There are 15 female stingrays only because the males are more aggressive. Yes, they still have their barbs on. The reason why we keep their barbs on, just in case if there's a storm, we would have to take down the fence and let them back out into the wild. And if we cut off their barbs, it would be very unfair to the stingrays because they wouldn't be able to protect themselves. And their main predators are the sharks and the barracudas. When entering into the water, they ask that you shuffle your feet. That will let the stingrays know if they are asleep because when they go to sleep, they hide themselves under the sand. Once you shuffle your foot, they will automatically wake up. If you do not shuffle your foot and you will step on one of them, they won't let their barbs on action. Only because they think you're trying to attack them and they want to try and defend themselves. Other than that, they are fully trained. We train them for 6 months before we let them interact with the guests. We refer to them here as sea puppies. They all have their own personal name. The largest one, she weighs 350 pounds and she is small and she is 15 years old. The baby, her name is Tiny, she just turned 3. She weighs about 58 pounds. When you snorkel with the stingray, you have to feed them a small type of fish called bottle and sometimes squid. After you're done feeding them, you ask them properly wash your hands. This is for your own safety. If you do not properly wash your hands wherever you touch, the stingrays will come and make you suck. And their suctions are just as strong as a vacuum. You also get to hold the stingray. I don't know if you ever touched one, but it has a jelly-like coating. That coating protects it from any type of germs or bacteria that may enter into the water. You also get to kiss the stingray for 7 years of good luck. And we are now at the deepest part of the lagoon.
I swam in 21 feet, so I know this. But not with waves, though.
You see a fish. That's what I'm saying. I see no fucking fish. Oh, okay.
The fish on the starfish.
No, I've literally seen a fish under there. Late.
They got poison fellers.
I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Bahamas. We became our own independent country July 10th, 1973. But we are still under the British colony. If you are convicted of a crime here in the Bahamas, we will still have the contact with Privy Council in the Great Britain to get you an appeal. Our motto here in the Bahamas is, forward, upward, onward, together. Our national flower is the yellow elder. Our national fish is the blue marlin. Our national tree is the lignum vitae. And our national bird is the pink flamingo. The Bahamas is an archipelago made up of 700 islands and keys. Only 16 of these islands are inhabited in the vast amount of people. The rest are just keys like half moon key. The difference between a key and an island is the size and the population. If you look straight across, the towers that you see, one is our South Moon Tower.
Okay.
That is how we get
Second.
service here on the next tower is just our Wi-Fi tower.
The Wi-Fi. Also, y'all got free Wi-Fi? 'Cause I need to connect.
How many people live here on this island? We have 45 staff that live here all year round. 45. 45.
Who run the group?
There's some bushes.
What if they want some Doritos? What if they want Doritos? She said we got Doritos.
No. They have the 45 staff that lives here that
sleep on that boat.
That's bad.
Yeah.
Our boat got 6, but
Okay.
it's like you get up at that time to get ready. You catch the bus for like 5 o'clock, and the bus is gonna almost reach to where the boat is gonna take us here, where the boat leave at.
Oh. That's dope.
And
To
then
work on a
we
different
would then,
island.
after the last time, I take you guys back to the cruise ship. Now over here you can see some cactus.
Arizona.
So prickly pears cactus. They normally grow some red orange berries. We crush the berries and we make juice out of the berries. The berries are said to be good for cancer and pneumonia.
Oh.
So when we crush the berries and make the juice is called Napoleon. Here in the Bahamas is made up of 3 types of plants. We have the coppice, the pine forest, and the mangroves. There are 4 types of mangroves here in the Bahamas. This is one of our examples. This is the red mangrove. We also have the black mangrove, the white mangrove, and also the silver buttonwood tree. That tall silver leaf tree that you can see right there, that is also one of our mangroves. The red mangrove is where the birds would go build their nest and lay their eggs. The fish would go there as well to hide from larger predators inside the entwined roots, and also they go there to lay their eggs as well. Now the mangroves here in the Bahamas, they also protect our shorelines during storms and hurricanes when they enter into the Bahamas. The mangroves here are protected by the Bahamas National Trust. If you are caught destroying the mangroves, you will be arrested, taken before the courts, and you can either do jail time or pay a hefty fine. Now the grass that you can see, that is just green turtle grass.
There are fishes. Wait, will you see the fish? Wow.
Yeah, they're gonna fish right there.
A lot of them. They're so clear.
I ain't seen no fish yet.
They blended in. They blend in.
Y'all didn't hear that. For the 45 staff that lives here on the island, they get their running water from a reverse osmosis water plant. They get their electricity from 3 fuel diesel generators. Also, they have an incinerator that burns the garbage daily. They also have their own sewer plant as well, and also a recycling plant that recycles the soda cans and ship them back to the US for recycling. Also, all of the rocks that you can see, they're all limestone coral. The Bahamas is all limestone coral reefs. All of our corals here in the Bahamas, they are protected by the Bahamas National Trust. If you happen to go on the beach to snorkel today, we ask that you be very careful if you happen to see a coral. Because if you break a small piece, the whole thing eventually dies. And a coral only grows an inch every year. You're also going to see some pine trees alongside the beach. Those are what we call Australian pine trees. They are native here to the island. They're going to be just about the same height. That is because of the lack of rain. We only get 40 inches of rain per year, and we get the majority of that rain during our hurricane season, which starts in June and ends in November. Now the hottest it gets here is 98, with the humidity making it feel like 110. Now the coldest it gets here is 57.
Like, hell no. No, I mean on the land. The coral. We had a debate earlier about coral cutting your foot. She said it'd kill you. No, she said it'll die. The thing will die.
The coral die.
Not kill you. Girl.
Hey, you finna try to walk on that? No, I'm not taking no chance.
Atlantic Ocean, over 100,000 square miles. So back in those days, it would have taken our ancestors a long time to get from one island to the next in search of medicine, because they only had access to a boat with a sailboat, and it would have taken them too long. So they turned to the bushes to deal with different types of ailments. We still use these bushes today. We refer to them as bush medicine. I'm going to point out some of our bush medicines to you guys, and also some why we call it the 7-year apple fruit tree, because the fruit itself actually takes 7 years to ripe. No one's gonna wait 7 years to eat an apple, so that is why we generally eat it. We just leave it as chicken and bird food. We do know when it gets ripe, it'll turn a dark brown and it gets very soft. Now this is a leaf from another one of our fruit trees here in the Bahamas. This is what we call the Stingray tree. We call it the Stingray tree because it only grows close to wherever there's salt water. And this island, this little small island, is all surrounded by salt water. So you're going to see a lot of those trees here on the island today. That is what we call the Stingray. The grapes will start off green until they turn a dark purple. That is how you know when they're ready to be eaten. And our rum factory in Nassau, we make wine and soda out of these.
Oh, that is her presentation.
Now, this is one of our bush medicines. This is what we call strong back. That one deals with any type of ailment to the back.
Half is that.
You will boil the leaves of that tree and drink it like a common tea 2 to 3 times a day. You add little to no sugar to it at all. In about 3 to 5 days, your back should be back to normal. Also, you see the little berry on the tree. It start off green until it turns a bright red orange color. If you don't want to boil the leaves, what you can do is just eat as much as the berries as you want to. That one is called the 5-finger tree bush. That one deals with any type of ailment to your throat. A sore throat, a bad cough, cold on your chest, throat infection. You will boil the leaves of that 5-finger tree bush and drink it like a common tea. Also, in about 3 to 4 days, the throat should be back to normal. That last one, that is what we call love wine here in the Bahamas. We use that love wine plus 20 other bush medicines. We come up with a batch which we call the 21 gun salute. It is a natural aphrodisiac. It was made to help guys when they get up there in age and they need help in that department. Rather than taking those pills that can lead to heart attack or any other medical issue. The 21 gun salute batch also comes in handy as well for ladies that are having infertility problems. We would normally get about a gallon of the 21 gun salute batch mixed with 1 can condensed sweet milk. Once you combine the two, you have to put it inside your refrigerator, let it get cold. Once it gets cold, both parties drink it, they get to work. In a week to 3 weeks, they can take a pregnancy test and they should be expecting a baby. If not, then one of them just can't have kids. Here in the Bahamas, we do not do in vitro. We do apply on the 21 gun salute batch. It is 99.99% accurate. And it is tried and
Dead.
Bro, that's real shit.
Yeah. We're gonna bottom out. Angle. A little floaty.
okay, guys, if you look to the bottom of the glass, you're going to see some sponges and some sea fans.
Oh,
There you go. Oh shoot.
That's cool.
That, you sure there ain't no
This
rock?
is an example of one of the sponge.
Man, that's a Rice Krispie treat.
Yeah.
oh, it's furry. It looked like a piece of carpet. Wow.
Oh, it is sponge.
Yeah.
This is underwater.
Yeah.
It's on the boat, fool. No, it's not. Fish live in that?
Huh?
Fish live in that?
Yeah, fish all around.
Shell right there.
Well, that one's kind of woolly.
It's wet. A little bit. It's dope. Ah. Yeah.
First one is what we call the royal palm tree. That is the one that we normally cut down next one is the thatch palm. The thatch palm is the one that we use the thatch roof, and also the middle part of the thatch palm is what we use to do all of our straw work stuff. All of the straw bags, the straw hats, the straw baskets you may have seen at the local straw market in the Welcome Center, they're all made from the middle of the thatch palm. Then we have the silver palm tree. The silver palm trees are the tall palm trees. We also use the outside of them to help us
Right there.
as well.
Little palm tree.
The last one is the royal palm tree. It's the Christmas palm tree. Each ring that you see represents a year. Look also the ring there. Each palm tree is going to stop growing. So once you see the rings get close together, the tree is going to grow anymore. It also bears the red orange berries. The berries that are only edible for the birds. They're just birds.
The more rings, the older it gets.
Yes, the older it is. Whatever your palm tree is, palm rings, that is how you tell all the palm trees.
Wow.
Going around the tree all the way up.
Indian village,
Definitely was information.
the little rock oven that you can see, that is where they bake all of their cookies.
Is there people there right now?
The little teepees.
They were all got
That was a long time ago.
yes, a very long time ago, from the 1700s.
Wow.
Dang, and it's still there?
We can't go up there.
They use the wood from the tree to frame up their house, and they use the palms to fill in their roof.
Wow.
Even at some of our islands here in the Bahamas, we still will attach our roof if we're gonna do a little hut inside of our backyard. Now for the wood, the stone oven, some of our great grandparents, they still have those kind of ovens, and they only make their bread and their cakes in the oven because it gives the bread and the cakes a better flavor than rather than cooking in the oven.
That's dope. Y'all sure y'all didn't build them little tents out there? Y'all sure y'all didn't build them? 1700s, I don't know now.
That one is on the side about the different types of animals that we have here.
What's my experience?
Oh, this is a different
Oh
experience.
yeah, for sure. Different culture, different traditions, but it's still a great experience. It's worth the experience. I can say that.
A lot of this, it's kind of open your mind to what else is out there in life.
Information, a lot of knowledge. You learn new things, new ways of life.
Yeah, new plants to take.
Exactly. Teas to
When they ask you, would you like a seashell? What do you ask you first? What's the first? Oh yeah, would you like a bracelet? Like a seashell?
You want to tweet?
Oh, that felt a little
That is
good
one of our
though.
delicacies here in the Bahamas. We cook that 100 different ways. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the comb, but it is a chewy mussel, just like calamari.
Oh,
Sometimes when you
Is
hold
that live in there? How do you get it out? Don't do it, I'm just saying.
I'm gonna show you. Once you cut, once you chop this piece on the comb, you can just take it out. But you have to chop this sometimes all around. But once you cut that piece, then you can take it out the shell. You just can't take it out the shell.
Oh, that's
that's what I said, Squidward.
Where's the living part?
Squidward or one of them. Gary, yeah. That is Gary.
Where's the living thing? It's inside. Look inside the hole. She's so skeptical.
She said, oh.
She looked at me.
No.
Yes, those are the eyes.
wet.
Oh, I looked in there. I said, well, that's why I was trying to turn it. It's foreshadowed over here.
Yeah, sometimes it comes out the shell.
It's
when you
leaking.
hold it like this.
He's taking. Oh, what am I doing?
But he was out much earlier. Trying to get off the boat.
No, it didn't. He's like, I know what you're
And then
doing.
it went back in the shell?
Is he peeing?
Yeah, he won't come out all of the way. He just gonna come out a little bit.
Can you
Oh,
make
okay.
him come out?
Huh?
Can you pull him out?
She got to cut that thing open to get it out.
Unless it comes out on its own.
I like calamari. I definitely eat them fried. They ain't gonna be able to tell you. They're just fried and just bring it to you.
Well, I did that to him the other day. You had calamari, right? Yeah. So I was like, let's try this. And he was like, oh, okay. And he tried it. He's like, what is it? I'm like, just try it.
Yeah, just try it.
And he ate it and he's like, oh, okay, what is it? I was like, that's squid.
Squid.
And he was like, I'm like, you're okay.
But it's actually good.
He liked
I
it, but
love
he wouldn't
calamari.
eat it again. He wouldn't eat it again.
So it tells you how much I like it.
Oh.
I mean, that's all you tasted was a breading, and then the texture was
95
good.
pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is why you
I love calamari. I get it everywhere.
I'm a texture person, so I love texture. If something feels weird, I
Exactly.
don't care
You
how
don't
it
want
tastes.
to. Yeah.
I don't care how it tastes.
Or if they normally serve it as an appetizer, like comforters with small balls.
Knocked over the cup.
You're the one
The cup,
screaming.
scary ass.
Okay, guys, this first one, this is one of our sea urchins. This is what we call a CA. If you see one of these on the beach, you wouldn't want to walk on it.
I see, yeah.
All of the little pieces can go in your foot, and you have to take a needle to take all of them out. Now the mouth is at the bottom, because it is a bottom feeder as well.
Wait, it has a mouth? It's alive?
Yes, you want to hold it?
She coming out of water.
It doesn't want to bite you.
You got it right.
I'm not very
Right.
adventurous.
It doesn't want to bite you.
Yeah, give it to me on this side.
Away from the mouth.
Oh, it's moving. The spikes move.
It's alive.
Oh shit! It feel like it's going in my skin. Grab it.
Nah,
You taste that way. I'm like, you.
Yeah.
I'm tucking hands and Spiky though.
Yeah, but you can feel it. It's like it was trying to go in my skin.
All of the bottom feet up.
Yeah, it was the bottom feet, all right.
Yeah, he reached over, take it. Not me, wrong way.
This is what we call a sea cucumber.
A sea cucumber.
It only squirts water from both ends.
You are brave, woman. You are brave.
sea cucumber.
This is a delicacy.
Hold on. I'm gonna drop this mug. Hold on. I gotta get prepared. I gotta get prepared now.
It does look like a big
Do it. Hey,
Like my contact.
Yeah, it's moving in my hand. You see this hand? I don't know if this is good for the video. I might get demonetized.
You can edit it out.
Yeah, I don't like that texture. That's like me holding a snake. Yeah.
Hey,
No, it
before
is
you
gonna
pass
sting
that
you.
back, let's ask who all wants to hold it for you. Because when it comes back, I gotta hand it to you, and I'm not with that one.
You say that's a jellyfish?
Yeah, the upside down one. It's gonna sting you. You can trust me.
Hold on. Hold on.
You gotta give him a moment. Prepare himself.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, let me get a picture. Yeah, I want a picture of that.
I'll get a picture.
Y'all want to get a picture in y'all hands?
No, you got the perfect hand. Put him in the sun real quick. Oh,
It slide off. I ain't gonna run after it.
shadow in it. He's like, yo hand?
How you supposed to remove it?
He won't sting me, right?
Slide it over.
Oh,
This is cool. I like hands-on. This is fun.
I like it. My fingers are upside down.
Wow.
give it to him.
I know.
Give it to.
Jellyfish, I'm sorry.
I'm moving.
It's got a heartbeat.
Yes, jelly.
Yeah, I was wondering like, what is?
I got sanitizer.
No, I feel like I'm about to go over with my hand. I did that yesterday. I ain't trying to do it 2 days in a row. Fishing, but I can't take them off. Wow. Yeah, that's the core.
You can hold this. This is just the
This is just a rock.
So man, he looked right up under the bottom.
That's a rock.
It's just a rock.
You can hold this one. This one's just a rock.
Watch the teeth come out the bottom.
Different type of rock.
Slither out.
They come in different colors.
Oh, I just seen one of those down there. It looks like real.
So is this considered coral?
No, that's a sea fly.
Okay, so this break-in don't matter.
He ain't trying to go to jail.
Yeah. He trying to dodge that big fine.
You got
A coral.
It's a coral.
Yeah.
To me, it's just like a rock.
Like a brain fungus or something. Brain coral. What's the purpose of Oh yeah, I've seen a couple. Oh, I see it's got purple too.
Okay, so question: if your feet
There go
touch
big
that, that's sharp, right? It's gonna cut you.
Which one? The coral?
The coral.
Not really.
You're not sure.
If a piece break off, then it's sharp.
It's like a Rice Krispie treat. Oh dang, there go the ocean right there. You down? Just leave me over on the sand. Shoot. Hey, we ain't got no life jackets today.
And that water.
I know how to swim, but I can't save everybody.
We got some.
Okay.
She said, but we still not going.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big time.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we got that.
Yeah, now that's too rough for this boat. This ain't the type of boat you want to go on that on. Well, you gotta be level.
Ain't way worse. Ain't way worse.
Yeah.
Way worse.
Yeah. Mhm. Right over there in the shade, by the
tower.
bushes.
He'll have a little IT tower built. Foxtrot to Charlie over here.
My month's supply is about to run out. Need some tissue.
Be on the radio. All right, y'all. So we got off the boat. We're back on the concrete now. You enjoyed that?
We got one.
I did. It was squishy, but it was fun. A lot of knowledge.
That water cooled me off.
Exactly. Lizard.
Fucking playing since we seen that iguana.
Yeah.
It wasn't no fucking joke to him when we first seen it. That motherfucker was scared as shit.
How big was that thing?
That thing was at least.
With the little bird thing.
Yeah.
Hey, watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
We in the street.
Oh, is that the one taking us back? Oh yeah.
Not really. I want to stay here. We got one went to the restroom real quick.
You wait on it too.
Mind your head. What?
You trying to leave that shore?
Hey, do you got to have a driver's license? Yeah. I got my license.
Can I get up front with you?
You can.
Bet.
No.
Nah, next shotgun.
I'm driving.
Shotgun.
I don't think we got enough seats.
I can go over.
Bro, you know how big I am?
Hey, we got to. We have. No, you can fit right here. We make it work.
We got one more coming.
I say, where's she gonna sit at? Y'all got room for her?
Yeah,
Yeah, right here.
Sit right there.
Alright y'all, man, we done made it over here to the little spot. They got actually like a little dining area over there. I don't know if y'all can see it. So this is like the dining. They just picked us up from the excursion part, brought us over here. I guess this is what they gonna do all the eating stuff over there. They got the food and all that type of stuff. I ain't gonna go up there and show y'all all the food and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all the sign so y'all can actually see. Hey, they got them a ride. But yeah, they got the dining part right there. And everybody in line right there. So if y'all ever come, y'all know that they will serve you food complimentary. And you do have a lot of seating areas and stuff around here. All through there, to be honest. So I guess a lot of cruise ship. What other cruise company they say come through here? Carnival and Holland. I never heard of that. But yeah, so those are only 2 cruise ships that comes here. So I wonder where Virgin ship go to. I wonder where the NCL
Virgin goes anywhere. I know Virgin go to Greece. I want to go on there. That's why I know that.
Oh, so it go that far?
It go far. You got Virgin go anywhere outside the Atlantics. Who else? Norwegian go out all them places too. Them like foreign.
Norwegian is NCL. Yeah. So, man, this the first and it won't be the last. So we definitely gonna try a lot more. Cause now I'm kind of fascinated with it. And then if I can go on cruises and I can make money on cruises like every single day and make it worth it, I can travel all year.
And it's much easier cruising to these different places.
I just gotta figure out a way to put up videos, y'all, while I'm on there because their Wi-Fi is horrible.
Yeah, that's the only thing. That's the only downfall we got so far. But everything else been good. And then it's much easier to get to these places and spots without having to go through customs and all that long drawn out process with the passports and all that. Although it's good to go straight through, but on the cruise you guaranteed to have different transportation from different locations and different islands and stuff like that. So I recommend cruises. And then it's also a lot of perks come with the cruises too. And as many cruises you go on, you'll get more perks. So next time we'll probably be red level. We blue level now since it's our first one. I think the next one is gonna be red, then gold, and then we'll be platinum. So yeah, every time we do it, we'll level up a little bit. So hopefully we get to that platinum card and
but even if not, we still gonna try out the other cruise lines too because I wanna just try all of them and I wanna see where they go and it's just it's different being out on sea than it is just flying places in and out. Like it's a whole different experience that you definitely wouldn't get if you just flew in somewhere. So I definitely recommend for y'all to just go on a cruise first and then figure out how you like that before you just get to flying everywhere, because the cruise life is a better way of doing it and it's more days and they got more things prepared for you than when you go to a place for just 8 days. You stuck at that one place for 8 days.
8 days,
Yeah, so and then it kind of get boring after the second, third day. So it's kind of keep that excitement
up. Always something going on the ship, off the ship, always like non-stop. If you're a casino gambler, go gamble. It's open all the time. They got stuff for the kids, all ages. It's something for everybody on all the.
He come through, come through snouting that. Yeah, he be he trying to run them folks over. He ain't playing. But yeah, so just get out and travel a little bit more, y'all. That's the whole purpose of what I'm saying. Like, just get out and travel and just enjoy your life, man. But we finna jump on one of these actual taxis. That one is going back that way. Yep, we finna get back on and go back the other way.
A few moments later.
Man, them folks out there, and they talking about the sharks out there. Yeah, so this is the beach area. This is where everybody is lounging and stuff on the beach over here. And you see how big old boat out there. They got people that's going back on, coming off, going back on. This is like a little slide or something area right there. They got the little kids area and stuff over there too. Oh no, there go Camille and them right there. Well, Camille and the lady. That ain't Tiana. That's Robert. The trash can go.
Yeah, we decided that, riding a horse is probably not a good idea if you're wearing swimsuits.
I know, but like, how far can you go?
Bad, trash.
Glass and can.
Sure.
I have to get down there.
2 hours later.
All right, y'all, man, we done made it back on the boat. I'm tired. We just had to go up the steps. We couldn't show you guys everything because a lot of the stuff was sold out. But we did have the chance to make it back up in here, and it's completely empty right now. That's where everybody lounge at and stuff right there in the boat. I never seen it so empty. Told you ain't nobody on them elevators. You gotta find them. But you gotta pay for them, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, we can pick the one we want.
Going up. Yes, I hope you guys really enjoyed that footage, because we wore out. We went back to the even side. Yeah. Today completely not over. I'm gonna try to see if I can. Dang, what my service looking like? It's 3G again.
I'm gonna hop back to Kona.
No, it's 3G again. I don't know, y'all. It ain't looking too pleasant for me getting y'all no videos while we out, so I don't know. If y'all seeing this, we might be back home by now. Most of these videos. So we're gonna try our best though. Alright, y'all, man, they got a little late on us. And we over here at the dive-in.
Movie night.
It's the dive-in movie. I kept saying drive-in. I'm like, what is a drive-in?
Dive.
I know. I looked at it and it said dive in, and we about to get ready to watch Black Adam. It's actually on right now, and I know we didn't even get to, Jurassic Park later. We didn't get to, I ain't get to pull out the camera no more. We had went and took a nap, and we actually just getting up. I got bad motion sickness right now. I'm trying to hang through there. Hopefully watching this movie will settle me down. Then lay down, but
Granddaddy.
Well, I ain't gonna cut it out then. If she gonna make a joke about it, y'all gotta know what the joke was about. But yeah, so we finna get ready to watch this movie, and then after that, I'm gonna check back in with you guys, man, and hopefully we have some more excitement tomorrow for you guys. So make sure y'all stay tuned. We trying. Basically, we trying to get y'all the best content we can possible, but it be kind of hard sometimes, because sometimes you want a vacation too, and not always record. So yeah, we're trying our best, but we're gonna get y'all that footage, man. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a little while before we after the movie.
Intermission.
Exactly. All right, y'all.
The next day.
All right, y'all, man. So I forgot to cut on the camera and out the video. I just want to say we appreciate every single one of y'all, and we got a lot more to come. This a whole nother day, like I tell y'all every single time. It's kind of cool to do it like this. But yeah, we got a whole bunch of more activities and stuff to do, and a lot of more places to see. So hope you guys there for the ride. And there's words.
Yes, join us. Follow us today. We're in a new location. This morning.
A whole nother location.
We're in a whole nother location. We're trying to get off the boat now, so stay tuned. We'll be right with you.
Yeah, we're getting off the boat right now as y'all speak. So, man, we're gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. R&B Lifestyle, man. We out. Peace.
That's a zombie.
I been keeping niggas out my business. Fuck a loss forever winning. In my backyard, never penny. Pay the fool, ain't nothing renting. Never told, ain't never squid. If I got it, ain't no need to steal. Start smoking weed, start popping pills. I'm working there, this is what it is.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man.